In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a message in a channel in Discord. Whether you've made a typo, want to clarify something, or just need to update your message, Discord makes it very simple to fix your text without deleting the entire message. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can quickly edit any message you've sent inside a Discord channel. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer or in your web browser and navigate to the server where your message is posted. Then, go into the specific channel where you previously sent the message that you want to edit. Once you're inside the channel, scroll through the conversation until you find the exact message you want to change. Now here's the important part. Hover your mouse over the message you want to edit. When you move your cursor over the message, you'll notice a few small icons appear on the right-hand side of the message. These icons give you quick access to additional options for that specific message. Next, look for the three dots icon. This is often called the More or More Options menu. Click on those three dots and a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several actions you can take for your message. From that drop-down menu, click on Edit Message. As soon as you click it, your original message will switch into edit mode. You'll see the text become editable, just like when you were typing it the first time. Now, simply type in the new message or make the corrections you need. You can fix spelling mistakes, add extra details, remove incorrect information, or completely rewrite the message if needed. Take your time to review the updated text to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. Once you're done editing, press the Enter key on your keyboard to save the changes. Immediately after pressing Enter, your message will update in the channel. Discord will usually display a small edited label next to the message so others can see that it has been modified. And that's it. Your message has now been successfully edited inside the Discord channel. You don't need to delete it or repost anything. The updated version will remain in the same spot in the conversation. Just keep in mind that you can only edit messages that you personally sent. You won't be able to edit messages from other members in the server. Also, if you're using the Discord mobile app, the process is very similar. Instead of hovering, you simply tap and hold the message, then choose Edit from the menu that appears. Editing messages is a quick and helpful feature, especially in busy servers where clarity is important. It helps you keep conversations clean and accurate without cluttering the chat with corrections. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow Discord guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.